Untold psychology of female nature that they don't want you to know. 1. The moment you stop thinking about her, she'll start thinking about you. 2. She makes decisions based on what she feels and what her emotions are telling her. 3. You think logically, she thinks emotionally. 4. Never be the one falling in love first. You're at her mercy if you do. 5. Women are turned off when you try too hard. 6. The best kind of flirtation with a woman is to tease her. 7. A woman will ultimately choose to be with the man she feels the most connection with at that time. 8. If you cannot make her mad, you cannot make her happy or excited either. 9. Your mission is to search for freedom. Her mission is to search for love. 10. The more desperate you are, the less she'll feel interested.